Welcome back, everyone.
Welcome back, everyone. So now we added a big bowl, and next you add some smushed pineapple.
Mm-hmm.
Then you stir it up with the wet ingredients. Then we're going to add the wet.
The dry to the wet.
The dry to the wet.
Do you want to put one in at a time and stir?
Mm-hmm.
Now stir with the wet one. Good job.
Oh, it's
Spin around. Here, I'll add some more for you. You want me to add another one?
I want to do it.
Okay.
You stir now.
Oh, I'll stir. You add. Okay.
Okay. Switch bowls.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm going to make another batch.
Yeah,
Good.
we're going to do 2 batches. Be more wet and dry. Oh boy, this is a lot.
We're going to make a lot of zucchini bread. So much that everybody can eat as much as they want, as long as they don't get sick.
Too much, you might get sick.
I just said as long as you don't get sick, you can
Right.
have as many as
Boy, that's a lot of stirring.
Wow. Wait. The rest I have to pour. Can you please pour
Sure,
it?
sure. You tip it.
Good job.
We'll do it together. And you can stir the rest.
I can't. It has to be in front of me.
There you go.
This is gonna be so good.
There you go. So what do you do with it when it's all mixed?
Yeah. And boys and girls, this might be a little weird, but I'm making 2 batches. 2 batches.
Mm-hmm.
And I might keep it, and I might make another video and do the same thing in case it's for babies, but yeah. And we bake in the oven for 370 degrees.
375.
70. It
For
says
55 minutes.
Ooh.
55 minutes.
Well, that sounds delicious.
Is
You ready? You want to pour some into the pan? Which one do you want to do? This big one. What's this big pan? You ready? We'll do one when we get the sides. Now, when you take this loaf pan, this one, put it in front of you. Oh, you want to pour? Okay. You pour and I'll guide.
no, you pour.
Okay, you guide. I pour it in, you smooth it out, okay?
Ooh, that was good.
You smooth it out. Oh, that was
Awesome.
awesome.
Well, thank you.
Show them a picture. Tilt it up so your mom and the camera can see.
Yeah, let me see. Ooh. Excellent pineapple zucchini bread. Well, do you want to say bye-bye to the audience?
Bye. Next
Say-
time I'll see you, I'll be making toys
Oh, okay.
and showing off them.
Oh, say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time with toys.